Welcome to qnawire.
All right, let me reproduce this drawing quickly. So we have our acetic acid molecule, right? And we've got our carbon with 3 hydrogens over here, okay? And then I'm going to draw the waters in blue, right? So we've got a water up here. And we've got a water over here. And we've got a water over here. And I'll draw the interactions in pink, as well as the relevant lone pairs. Okay, so the question is, which of these are hydrogen bonding interactions? So what we're looking for is oxygen with a lone pair interacting with a hydrogen which is bonded to an oxygen. This is the pattern we're looking for hydrogen bonding interactions. Now, this also works if we've got a nitrogen with a lone pair and an oxygen over here, or a nitrogen with a lone pair and a nitrogen over here, or an oxygen with a lone pair and a nitrogen over here. These all would work as well. Right, but in this example, all we have is oxygen and hydrogen, so we don't have to worry about nitrogen. Okay, so let's look at this one. Well, we've got an oxygen with a lone pair, and we've got a hydrogen bonded to, carbon, right? We need it to be nitrogen or oxygen, and that's not the case, right? So this is not a hydrogen bonding interaction. Right, so I am going to cross this out in, I don't know, purple. Okay, nope, this one's no good. Okay, what about here? We've got an oxygen with a lone pair. That's part of our pattern. Okay, and we've got an interaction with the hydrogen, which is bonded to oxygen. Hydrogen bonded to oxygen. That's just like this. Okay, so that one's good. I'm going to circle this because this is indeed a hydrogen bonding interaction. Okay, one more. Oxygen with a lone pair. That's good, right? Oxygen with a lone pair. Okay, and it's interacting with the hydrogen that's bound to oxygen, interacting with the hydrogen bound to oxygen. Okay, yeah, this one looks good as well. So this is a hydrogen bonding interaction. And the way these are labeled, this is 3, this is 2. So the answer is 2. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, this is still fine. They're saying they've made this really confusing. Okay, this is labeled 3. Okay, and then this is labeled 4. They're labeling just the interaction part. Okay, right. In either case, 3 is still good and 4 is still good, and then 2 is not really an interaction; it's just a bond, right? So 2 is part of the important part of the equation, but it's not itself an interaction. All they want is basically what these pink lines are, right? But 2 matters is just not an interaction. This is a very confusingly written question. For that reason, though, the answer is 3 and 4. If you had answered, 2, 3, and 4, maybe that's why you were wrong.